People often ask me, why travel alone? Walang kasama, walang kausap. Parang ang lungkot, diba? But what they don't understand is, sometimes, the journey you need the most is the one you take alone. So, on the way na kami papuntang Cagayan. So, almost mga siguro 4 to 5 hours yung biyahe natin. Galing kanina sa may Alamada, papunta na ng Cagayan. So exactly 12:30 kanina nakarating tayo dito sa may Cagayan. So bound na tayo pa Butuan or kapag merong diretsyo ng Surigao, yun yung sasakyan natin. So, ayan, kumain muna tayo dito sa may karinderya. This trip walang plano. No fixed destination, no expectations. Just me, my bag, and the unknown roads of Mindanao. Sa totoo lang nakakatakot. Yung tipong mapapatanong ka kung kaya ko ba to. Oriental na po tayo. So almost 2.5 hours na po tayo dito travel. There were moments I got lost, but somehow you keep going. And then along the way you meet strangers who don't feel like strangers. A smile, a simple conversation, a helping hands when you need it the most. Doon mo marirealize the world is kinder than you think. So, it's almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So, nandito na ako ngayon sa may Nguog City. So, another stop na naman kasi nag-CR yung iba. Kumain naman yung iba siguro, maybe. So, medyo malayo-layo pa yung travel natin. Based sa map, nasa 8 hours and nasa 6 hours pa yung biyahe natin. So, ganun katagal, pero anyway, since this is our first time, first time na makapag-travel ng medyo malayo, then sa bus pa talaga tayo sumakay. So, expected talaga natin na medyo matagal yung biyahe natin. But anyway, at least marami naman tayong experience, marami naman tayong mga makikitang bagong lugar. So, ayan, yan lang muna for now and see you again later. I learned to enjoy silence, to listen to my thoughts, and to enjoy myself more. Kasi minsan, the loudest answers come when everything is quiet.
So it's already 6 o'clock in the evening. So meron pa tayo siguro mga almost 6 hours na travel papuntang Surigao. So medyo malayo-layo pa po yung travel natin. So kailangan natin kumain. Possible mga 12 o'clock or alas 12 ng gabi na tayo makakating. Hello. It's already 8:41. Nandito pa tayo ngayon sa may Butuan City. So medyo mahaba-haba pa yung travel natin. Siguro mga nasa 3 to 4 hours pa yung travel. Galing dito papunta ng Surigao City. So, ayun, nag-stop over lang muna kami saglit dito.
Sunlight, all the earth she'll gaze upon. When you wake while you lie sleeping, when the working day is done. Through the windy, wild and barren, over mountain pass once more, I would sail the wide blue ocean if it would land me on your shore.
And when you finally reach your destination, you realize something. Hindi lang pala lugar ang pinupuntahan mo. You discovered a stronger version of yourself. A version that is brave, independent, and unafraid of being alone. If you're waiting for the right time, for the right people, and for the perfect plan, maybe this is your sign. Go, explore, get lost. Because sometimes the best journey in life are the ones you take alone.